The fuck? What's
Say hi
that?
to the fan.
Hi.
Hi guys. Kamusta?
Kamusta ka? Ikaw, kamusta?
Okay naman.
It's good.
Galing work.
Yeah.
Mamadali.
It's super hot out today.
Yeah, it's like
29.
29 outside today.
Whew. Shall we go?
Yeah, we need to get going.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, you took a piece. Yeah. Look at his ears. Ready? Go jump. Yeah. 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 Oh, get my hand up.
Yay! Good job!
Okay, no more. That's
Yay!
it. No more. Oh, I see it. Hello. Hello, Keara. Hey, I saw your legs.
Keara!
Oh,
Oh!
wow.
New hair, who this?
It matches your shirt and my shirt.
What do you think? We were matching outfits.
It looks good.
Yeah, that's nice. I like it.
It looks like your bottom half, but like everywhere. Does
Yeah.
that make sense?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Looks good. I thought it was gonna be gray.
Wow.
I was expecting like silver.
No, I didn't want gray.
Oh, who's that girl?
That's nice.
She's my new girlfriend.
Yeah, new one.
Nice hair.
Good enough to marry.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Yeah, I just gotta grab my stuff because I ran from the door.
Hey.
So loud! Car so loud!
What?
Where are we going?
To Sylvan
Going to
Lake.
the beach?
Let's
Beach.
get away. I'll put those in your pants and do
Nicki
the Nikki thing.
Minaj. What?
Put it in your pants and do the Nikki thing. Nikki! Let's go to the beach, beach. Okay.
Everybody's ready.
Yeah, it's unlocked. Wait, I just gotta...
Okay, I'll follow you, Moy. Still a lot of people here, no?
Oh
At
yeah.
least we found
Holy.
parking right away.
And it's
though.
already what
This
time?
is really lucky that we found parking.
Uh-huh.
Wait, aren't we supposed to pay?
Okay.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do have to
You
pay.
remember your doesn't pay.
No.
If I get gas money. No, I'm just gonna put it on.
Ano to, ipanira ka talaga naman yun.
What?
Joseph's not trying to show us something.
Shit is fucking hot, man.
Babe,
No, you already drank it.
where we go?
Ice cream!
Yeah, I know.
Woohoo! Ice cream! Right there!
Mr. Move. Or more move, sorry. Beautiful car. Beautiful car.
Oh shit, do we need mask?
Probably.
I love you, man. I love you.
I love you more.
What flavor?
Cotton candy.
Candy.
Oh, let me try it. Yeah.
What is that?
It's blueberry cheesecake.
Anong flavor ko rin mo?
Cookies and cream.
Gulayo.
What?
I'm gonna get cookies
Oh,
and cream.
I got it first.
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Number one.
Andrew, do you have any extra slides at home?
Okay, my nails aren't that long.
Shut up.
Bruh, what do you mean?
Oh, it's looking better than
It is
before.
looking better, yeah.
His toe was growing another toe.
You make your shoes stink.
What? They already stink, stupid.
Andrew just put his ice cream on a napkin. That's so nasty.
That's so Andrew though.
How is it?
Take your shirt off and dive under.
Andrew, nagpabili kang ice cream, di mo naman pala ubus.
Drew, you want to throw footballs? You're in the water.
The heck was that?
That was a warm-up throw.
With you! With you!
Roll it!
Hindi ako marunong bumato.
That's okay, babe. Hey, don't touch me with
I'm
your
sorry.
wet hands.
Ay, hindi pala.
Oh, nice view, guys.
Lips in it.
Tingnan ko naman.
Ay, sorry po.
Nagano si Keara. Video pop.
No, okay, that's actually nice. Do it again. Do it one more time.
Hold on, this is not my good time.
See, that's nice.
Tapos yung music na slow mo pumanado yung te.
It's a nice shot, actually.
Well, I had to do slow motion. That takes a lot of effort.
Of course, si Moy may laging nahulog.
Actually, I didn't even do this.
Spoiled.
I just have to grab the cheese.
Wow.
You're on camera, Mom. Oh, sorry. No, do it the best you can. Okay.
It's not hot. It was hot. Just don't grab it for too long.
Here, I'll just leave those there.
Deliciousness. Yeah.
Yeah.
Eat good.
Thank you. You too.
Till next time. Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome.
Delicious.
Anytime.
Thank
Next
you.
time, you
Thank
guys
so
should
much.
turkey next time. I recommend stuffing. I recommend.